Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discuss about in a topic Twitter introduction. Twitter is a social media platform that allows users to share short messages called tweets with their followers. Here a brief introduction to Twitter. What is Twitter? Twitter is a microblogging platform that allows users to share tweets up to 280 characters in length. Key features: tweet short messaging shared with followers. Followers user who subscribe to see your tweets. Handles unique usernames, example username. Hashtag keywords preceded by example topic. Replies response to tweet, retweets, sharing other tweets with your followers, like favoriting tweets. Why use Twitter? Real time news and updates, networking and community building, personal and business branding, customer service and sports, entertainment and honor humors. Twitter statistics: our 440 million monthly active users, 1.4 billion registered account, 500 million tweets sent daily, 70% of user access Twitter on mobile devices. This introduction covers the basics of Twitter, its key features and its uses. Twitter is a powerful platform for real-time communication, networking and entertainment. Twitter complete course. Here is a comprehensive outline for a complete Twitter course. Module 1: Introduction to Twitter History and Evolution of Twitter. Understanding the Twitter algorithms. Setting up a Twitter account and profile. Module 2: Twitter Basics. Understanding tweets, replies and retweets using hashtags and keywords, maintaining and tagging other users. Understanding Twitter etiquettes. Module 3: Content creation, crafting effective tweets, writing headlines and summaries. Using visual and multimedia, creating Twitter threads. Module 4: Engagement and community, building a loyal following, encouraging and engagement and conversation. Using Twitter polls and question, creating a Twitter community. Module 5: Twitter marketing, understanding Twitter ads, creating effective and campaigns using Twitter analytics. Measuring role and measuring ROI and success. Module 6: Twitter for business, creating a business Twitter account, using Twitter for customer services, building a brand on Twitter, using Twitter for market research. Module 7: Advanced Twitter techniques, using Twitter lists and movements, creating Twitter bots and automation. Using Twitter API and developer tools, advanced Twitter analytics and tracking. Module 8: Twitter safety and security, understanding Twitter terms of service, protecting your account and privacy, dealing with trolls and harassment using two-factor authentication. Module 9: Twitter best practices, optimizing your Twitter profile, creating a content calendar using Twitter scheduling tools, engaging with influencers and other users. Module 10: Twitter strategy and growth. Developing a Twitter strategy, growing your following and engagement using Twitter to drive website traffic and sales, measuring success and ROI on Twitter. This comprehensive course covers all aspects of Twitter from the basics to advanced techniques, providing a thorough understanding of how to succeed on the platform. Twitter With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.